Hi, dear customers. In this video, I'd like to introduce the second generation and the first generation nylon zipper for the trolley bag. The suitcase. So now let's see. This is the second generation model. You see the double layer zipper chain. They are on the one side. See, this is the one side, first layer, second layer, outside. And this is the first generation. This one, we put the zipper chain on this side and this back side. So front side and the back side. So what's the biggest advantage for our second generation nylon suitcase zipper? Let me show you, then you can understand very clearly. So you can see I put this zipper on here like a suitcase corner. So let's see, it can lines very smooth from here. You see, lines very smooth on the corner. But for the first generation, because inside has one layer chain, so when we line this zipper from here, you will find it's not very smooth on the corner because inside is hard and the outside is more flexible. So that is why to cost two layer cannot run very smooth. If with our second generation model, double layer chain zipper on the one side, then we can solve this problem. So if you want to get more details about this zipper, you are welcome to contact us. We also have the reverse model. This one can be reverse model. Thank you for your interest. Thank you.